Hey guys, Funk Roberts here with my amazing, beautiful wife Angela, and I'm really excited that you're here and you've shown interest in our 10-day kettlebell workshop. You know, after years and years of me being a professional athlete, but also training thousands of people from your everyday Joe to your mom and pop to professional fighters, I found that there's one piece of equipment that stands the test of time and gets the best results, and that is the kettlebell. And one thing about the kettlebell is it's something that's very intimidating. You know, it's one of those pieces of equipment that is very difficult to use unless you know how to use it. Everyone can do push-ups. Everyone can pick up a dumbbell and do bicep curls. Everyone can get under a barbell or a machine. But when it comes to picking up a kettlebell, you actually have to know how to use it, and it can be intimidating.
Yeah.
You've probably seen the kettlebell at the gym, or you may have a kettlebell at home that's kind of picking up dust, or you may have used kettlebells years ago and now want to get back, and that's why we put together this 10-day Spartan workshop, because the kettlebell is such a great piece of equipment, right?
Yeah, you actually need to know how to use it properly to get the most benefits. I mean, this thing can transform your body, honestly, so you can burn calories and burn fat, but you have to know how to use it effectively, and you've probably never actually been shown how to use it. So we want to do that. We want to give you the lessons you need to use this properly and get incredible results from it.
Exactly, so safely and proficient. So with this 10-day kettlebell workshop, at the end of this workshop, you are gonna feel so confident learning all the different exercises and movements to really be a proficient kettlebell user and use it safely and get all the benefits. So you're probably asking, well, who are you two and why do I wanna learn kettlebells from you? Well, I'm Funk Roberts. I'm a former professional athlete turned certified MMA strength and conditioning coach, master metabolic trainer, and of course, a certified kettlebell specialist. And like I mentioned before, over the years, I've used the kettlebell with all my clients, with a lot of professional athletes, but I actually use the kettlebell on myself to help me transform my body from 215 pounds of puffy muscle to 185 pounds ripped. So I know the power of the kettlebell.
And I'm Angela Roberts. I am an advanced kettlebell coach. I'm a former Muay Thai fighter. I'm a former bodybuilder. So I've been exposed to many different styles of workouts, many different exercises and equipment. The number one piece of equipment for me that I believe in the most for results, fitness, strength, fat loss, all those combined, is the kettlebell.
So why don't we break down exactly what you're gonna get with our 10-day Kettlebell Spartan workshop. So module number 1 is called our Kettlebell Foundations. And in this module, you're gonna learn things like how to use the kettlebell, how to pick it up.
Yeah, the different grips, what kettlebell should I use, the difference in different types of kettlebells, just a basic knowledge of kettlebells. So every single time, it is with intention. We are owning that kettlebell.
Module number 2 is the hip hinge and the deadlift. In this module, we're gonna teach you the foundational movement, which is the hip hinge.
Yeah.
If you don't learn the hip hinge, then you really can't be moving forward with kettlebell training. And you also learn the deadlift, which is an amazing exercise for strength and overall power. So you can see Angela's got that flat back, shoulders are back, and everything is loaded.
And in module 3, you're going to learn the kettlebell swing. This is the number one most famous move in kettlebell training. It's a full body movement. It's extremely powerful. We're going to teach you properly how to use that kettlebell swing with 2 hands and with 1.
Everything is coming from the lower body, from the hips, and from the glutes. That's where the power is coming from. Next is module number 4. In this module, you're going to learn the kettlebell clean and the kettlebell row. The kettlebell row is such a great exercise, again, not only for the back and the posterior chain, but something you're gonna use over and over again. And the kettlebell clean is a very technical move that people get wrong, but we're gonna teach you how to do it right so you can get the benefits of the clean.
And right to the body. So from here, it comes up, it goes back and tight.
Okay, so let's do, everyone grab their kettlebell.
Next is module 5, the squat and the lunge. We're gonna teach you different variations using the kettlebell on different squat variations and different lunge variations.
Same thing now. With the kettlebell higher, you really have to focus on the core. In module number 6, you're gonna learn the kettlebell shoulder press and the floor press. Pressing is a very key movement in kettlebell training, so we're gonna teach you how to do it standing with the shoulder press and on the ground with the chest press.
I like to drive my upper arm or my elbow into the floor, again, because we are offsetting the load.
In module number 7, you're gonna learn how to do the kettlebell snatch.
Now this is the most Hollywood move in kettlebell training, the kettlebell snatch.
Yes, but it's very powerful. And so we're gonna teach you 2 ways to do the kettlebell snatch. I've got my way to teach, which people like, and Angela has her way that she likes. So you can choose either one that works best for you.
We can find a way to know how much power we need to throw, how much hip drive, how much everything to get that kettlebell above over our heads. And Module 8 is the kettlebell windmill. You're gonna learn how to properly do the windmill. You've probably heard about it before. It's a famous kettlebell move. It involves abs and core and strength and mobility. It's an incredible overall body movement. Slowly, look, don't lose sight of that kettlebell. Go as far as you can go. If it's only the knee, that's fine.
And finally, we have a bonus where you're gonna learn the Turkish get-up. Again, this is one of the foundation movements, but you need all of the other modules in order to get this movement. The Turkish get-up is a total body strength, and we're gonna teach you how to use it and also drill with it as well. So as you can see the setup here, she's on her elbow, Angela's looking at the kettlebell straight up, and she's tight. Core has to be tight throughout this entire movement. So after you've done the kettlebell workshop, you're probably asking, now what? And one of the things that we wanted to make sure is that we didn't leave you hanging. So what we've done is we've now added our 28-day kettlebell program for beginners.
We wanted you to be able to put to use the skills you've just learned into your workouts.
That's right. So we got this whole program all designed for you. Let's talk about what you get. First, you're gonna get follow along workout videos. So really all you have to do is press play, and Angela and I will be there to take you through our metabolic kettlebell workouts. Again, using the exact exercises that you just learned in the workshop.
And down, use the legs.
Push off with that front leg. Keep the body tall.
Hip out, right hand up. Look up. 1, 2.
Pull. Woo! Wow, we just got metabolic there, baby. You'll also get a manual and a success calendar that, again, will help you guide you through what workouts to do in what day. The other big thing that we added is nutrition, because you can't train a bad diet. And we know that yes, you can have all these workouts, but we actually want you to get results. We actually want you to transform your body. So we're gonna teach you how to eat. We have one for men and one for women. We're also gonna add in our 8-minute ab and core circuits. These are, again, follow along workout or circuits that you do after your workout is done. Make sure that elbow and shoulder are right underneath. Angela's doing the ab circle crunches, and I'm doing the seated ab circles. So you'll find this quite hard. We're also gonna put warm-ups, stretches, and mobility, because the last thing we want is for you to get injured. Stronger than the other, one side may be more flexible, but we're just going 4 out of 5. So we're gonna go down to our thumb, and then we're gonna rotate the spine.
Run my arm all the way around. I'm gonna face the ceiling like this. See that rotation in the back.
The other thing that you're gonna get is access to our private Kettlebell Spartan Academy Facebook group. This to me is the game changer, because you're gonna be amongst people who are also training with kettlebells on the same journey as you. You can support each other, motivate each other, and also ask questions and get them answered. And the other big thing we've added is the coaching. Right, we have live coaching every single month. Once a month, it'll be with me or with Angela or with both of us. We're gonna answer questions. We're gonna, have a topic, and again, it's gonna be all live. And you'll get access to all of this on a website or on our fitness app, where you can take the workouts with you. And we're also gonna give you daily emails to guide you through.
And I just wanted to add that you've learned this new skill. Now we got to practice. So you got to do this 28-day follow-up. Just reinforce that skill that you've learned. If you just do the workshop and don't do the 28-day program, you might lose it a bit. So stay with it, do the 28-day, get results, do the nutrition. You're gonna love it.
You're gonna absolutely love it. Our goal is to ensure that we help as many people as possible use the kettlebell, because we've seen, even with our friends, our family, they're like, yeah, I've seen the kettlebell, I see it at my gym, or I have a kettlebell at home, but I don't know how to use it.
Always wanted to learn how to use it. I don't know, I won't pick it up.
Or I started using the kettlebell and then I didn't really know what I was doing, I got injured. We don't want that to happen. We want you to learn how to use this piece of equipment, because it's extremely powerful. We're gonna teach you the Russian style. We're gonna hook you up with everything you need, and that's all for this low price. If you look below, you can click that button and you can buy now. one-time payment, lifetime access, no additional fees. So you have this forever, and you also have our guarantee. So listen, after 30 days, after 60 days, you don't like the results you get, or you didn't like the way we were teaching you, then all you have to do is email customer service at over40shred.com. Sarah, Vanessa, or Marianne will be there for you. They'll give you your money back, no questions asked. But we know you're gonna love it.
Yeah.
We know you're gonna learn. That's why we gave you the guarantee, and that's why the price is what it is now. So listen, thank you so much for being on this page. If you still want to read more, then you can continue to read more, but we've given you everything you need. Yeah. All we want you to do is click that button below and join us in our workshop, in our workouts, get results, and we'll see you on the other side. Any last words?
Get it done.
That's right.